Okay, here's this Model A, or this A John Deere. It's not a Model A. Model A is a car, but this A John Deere. I just finished it. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It needs rear tires, of course. They're looking pretty tough, but yeah, it got everything looking pretty good. I got the grill pretty straight and stuff. It's kind of bent up, but yeah, it's I had to get new tires for the front. They were $55 each, but it needed tubes, and then they mounted them for me and stuff, and come to $160 by the time they got those two front tires on there. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I got it needs the stickers, the A John Deere stickers for it yet, and yeah, I gotta paint the steering wheel black. I masked it off with some yellow masking tape there, and yeah, it's a little touch up here and there, but we're out having a snowstorm outside right now, so even Kirby's staying in here where it's warm even, but warm and dry. But yeah, it's not, like I say, not looking too bad though, so.